With the Synpro 2020 project, CLAAS implemented state-of-the-art combine production at its headquarters in Harsewinkel. Where previously 2 assembly lines existed, today there is a main line with sub-assembly lines feeding into it from both sides for pre-assembly and supply of the modules. More than 30 Lexion and Trion models are produced here. How is this diversity possible? See for yourself and follow us through the individual production steps of Lexion and Trion. In the final production steps, Lexion and Trion receive further important components. Panels and side flaps not only enhance the look and make our Lexion and Trion a distinctive CLAAS machine, they also have a functional purpose because they keep drives and thermally stressed areas such as exhaust gas cleaning clean of dust, dirt, and mud. Generous, easy-to-open side panels allow quick access to important maintenance points. To be able to drive independently, the wheels and TerraTrack drives are still missing. Most of the Lexion and Trion models are available either as a wheeled machine or with TerraTrack tracked drive, from the Trion 530 5-walker to the flagship Lexion 8900. With the experience from having built 35,000 TerraTrack drives, the range extends from standard 635mm wide to 890mm wide tracks for sensitive areas. All TerraTrack drives from CLAAS are equipped with suspension and always offer optimal ground adjustment. However, they are not assembled at the production plant, but only at the CLAAS sales partner. For transport by low loader or by rail, the drives would have to be dismantled just a few meters after leaving the factory. Where maximum traction is required, 4-wheel drive axles are available for most models. But even without this, the large wheels offer sufficient traction and soil protection under most conditions. On the Lexion, the wheel diameters are up to 2.15 meters on the drive axle and up to 1.75 meter on the steering axle. And who makes all of this possible? It is our developers, our production staff, all our suppliers, our precise know-how in body shell, our cyclic inputs from the sub-assembly lines to the left and right of the main assembly line, and our specialists in logistics and parts picking. All of them ensure that every part is available on the main assembly line at exactly the right time within the intelligent shop floor management system. Thus, thousands of small parts become one large item, a Lexion and Trion from CLAAS.